Another thing you can do besides just exporting the data is export the data in analysis. The analysis is in one of our analyzers. It's an Excel file with all the RMA data and input so you can put your subject company information inside of it. When you open up the downloaded analyzer file, you'll see there's tabs across the bottom. This is meant for you to input your subject company information. On setup, you'll input subject company data. On balance sheet, you'll input up to 5 years of balance sheet data. And on income statement, you'll do the same. You'll notice the tab after that is common size balance sheet year to year. You'll notice the first column is subject company for the current year, then subject company percentages, then RMA percentages. And then the next column is ranking. So this is where the analyzer actually ranks your company against RMA. This is really powerful. Once again, it helps paint a picture of how your company compares to the industry. The columns to the right show every year prior to that and how it compares to RMA. You'll notice there's also common size balance sheet industry trends. In other words, what has the industry been doing over time? This is pure RMA data. And then you'll see some charts. And the charts help you get a graphical feel for how that data lays out. And now we'll see a common size balance sheet trend for your company from the subject for the years that you input. And then some charts about that. And then there's a page that has common size income statements, the exact same thing. Your company, your company's percentages, the RMA percentages, the ranking, and then all the prior years. And you'll also see that there's many tabs after that that do industry trends and more charts. So once again, the analyzer helps you input a subject company data, do an automatic ranking, and perform a whole lot of analysis with not very much work on your end.